Hello friends, today we are going to make our own app inventor. So let's get started. First, I will provide this link in description. Open this and first copy this like this and go and run your GitHub. I will make a new folder name app inventor. Then I will run git bash here. Then I will write git clone and paste that URL here and press enter. I'm not doing that because I already installed it and I'm directly going in that only. After installing that, install and also. I will provide that link also. And I'm just we have to install it, see binary distribution, zip command. I will provide link in last then after installing it, go to add this in same folder called dependencies. Now in container search, added system variable, then add environmental variables. First, you have to add this Java options XMX2048M. Then this Java underscore home your Java JDK path. Then in class path, uh, I mean class path edit, you have to write this. It will automatically take from these and these. Now in path edit, you have to add these two also. These two. After adding these, come in system variables. See here and home. You have to add your and home. I mean this path here. This. Now and options. Uh, Same value from Java options. And in this path, edit, you have to add this Java JDK bin here, and this uh, and home also. Now okay. Go to this Windows security, then go to virus and threat problem protection. And virus and threat protection settings, click on settings. Now on add or remove exclusions, press enter and add that this file in which I am having these two boards. Done this much. Now go to app inventor sources, build tools, click on build tools. First I will make auth key. So for making auth key, press 2. Uh, it is making. Then press 3 to build app inventor. This will take few minutes. It is done, but it is showing build fail. No fear, because this will show. And if there is build success, then also it is okay. And now press any key. I will press any key. Then I will click on run local server. Then I will press 7 and press enter. It will run on port 7777. There it is. It will slow in 2 minutes. See, our server is now running. I will sign in as administrator, and this our server is working properly. And if you want to change the port, localhost port, then go to your app inventor sources, then click right right click on build tools and click on edit. Come down. Uh, um, Control F. Type this. Here you will get it, and in this you have to change the port. Here I am changing it to 9999, and localhost also. Here start HTTP 9999. Then save it by pressing Ctrl S, and again run it, and I will run local server by pressing 7 and enter. Now this will start my localhost at 9999. Just wait for a few seconds. See, this is on 777 and this is on 999, which we edited now only. This is for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.